Alright, hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna take you guys on a little mini tour of my workstation here. So you guys are probably used to seeing maybe this angle of my workstation, but I thought I'd take you guys on a little bit longer tour of my work area. So this is basically it, just a small table from Target, and I got a nice little chair there. Okay, stole this light from my brother. Don't tell him that that's what happened, but that's what I did. Actually, he left it here, so I took it. Here's my RC rack. If you guys want to know how to build one of these, click the link right up there, and that'll take you to my building of this thing. It's very useful, very simple to build. So there's the power strip for the charger, solder station, cell phone charger. This green one is actually for my iPod. Shock oils, I have these shock oils, and then I have these shock oils on my dresser. These are the ones I don't use so much. The ones on my table are the ones that I use more. My short course tires that I use for stands, as you can see. The radio sits next to the charger, and these are old receiver boxes that I keep some screws in. This one has, I call them spider gears. I'm not sure what they're really called, but the little gears in differentials. And I think these are parts from a Revo diff in this one. So we got the charger, power supply, the Alias drone sits right on top of the power supply. Next to the power supply is my J Concepts RC stand. I use this a lot for shocks. I've reamered some holes in there. And these are spare tires for the B5M. These are Schumacher silvers. They're very soft. You use those when the dew falls on the AstroTurf track. You need that extra grip, so I got those. I rarely use them, but they're there if I need them. These are more extra rears for either the B6 or the B64, and then these are the current tires that I use on the cars. This whole area sometimes can be full of tires. The tires that I use currently on the cars always are towards the end. So that's the top. One thing I don't show you guys is this bottom area. This is where I keep my secondary toolbox. This one has screws, a few spare parts. Spare parts that I know are probably going to break. In this box is my soldering station. These boxes have extra decals from Tekin in there, but that motor's probably burnt. So, yep, that's there. This is a box of extra rags for my cars. A lot of extra stuff under here if you can't tell. Old Equinox LiPo balancer that I used on my MRC 977. I think I got two of them because one of them burnt out. And then I have this thing. This is what I would recommend to anybody. So what's in here? These are all spare parts. So up here, this used to be, and I guess still is, the drawer for the SC5M. So, not SC5M, or the SC22. So still parts in there for that, but I mainly keep the rags in here. So spare parts for that. The next one is the B6/associated bin. So anything associated related goes into here. This was a lot fuller with the B5M, but the B6 and the 64 just won't break. So I haven't gotten a whole lot of spare parts in there for that. So yeah, this is the associated bin. This is the Emax Traxxas bin. Even though that says associated, those are the rebuilds for the associated shocks that I have on the Emax, which is right there. So that's that. The next one is my soldering / extra electronics drawer. You can see I got wires and then other wires, more wires, connectors, random clock movement back there. This is my battery drawer. So extra batteries for the cars I currently have. This is a transmitter battery. That's a battery for the eRevo / AT&T, and there's Emax batteries in the LiPo sack. And then this is just a random charger drawer for all my chargers. So like my 4PX chargers in there, my charger for the Phantoms in there. I could probably put the charger for, I'm gonna do that right now. Bam, the charger for the Alias is in there, in here. And then on top is my toolbox. So yeah, so it's very convenient because I can work here, I can work right here, and then when I need something, I can just go through here, open it up, look for it, look for whatever I need, and then go right back to work. I do highly recommend having a workstation like this, even if you're just starting out. I used to have a place in the basement. Yeah, that's where I used to build my other kits. I used to work off of my bed, kneel on the floor. That wasn't comfortable, but I did that for the longest time. Then I started working on the floor, and my mom's like, listen, just get a table. So I got a table, and I made this. If you've been in the hobby for several years, or if you're just starting out, I highly suggest getting a workstation, getting a place where you can work on your cars like this. It has really helped me to work on my cars better, and it's more enjoyable. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you aren't already, and hit that bell next to the subscribe button when you're finished subscribing so you can be notified when I upload something. I think that's it. I think I hit everything. Subscribe and like. I'll see you guys next week or at the track.